What the? Immortal? In this realm? That's surprising. Huh? No. I said no because a mortal never entered the glitch realm before. Yeah, I do have a mortal glitch form, but hurts to be immortal, so to speak. The glitches hurt when I'm in my mortal glitch form. It sucks, but yeah. What are you even trying to help me? I'm not gonna be helpful. Huh? A moderator, eh? Sucks to be you, man. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I can show you my mortal version of me later. It would be nice, but that would be very unlikely. Still want to see the version of me. Well, you're gonna get it later. But not now. Mostly because I can't. I said I can't because it hurts. The glitches hurt. Everything. Etc. Honestly, yeah, I've been through worse. You think I was human? Well, I was before the incident. It's hard to explain. I gotta go. See you later.